was the coldest edition out of the three?
ውድድሩ በጣም ቆንጆ ነው። ብዙም አልተዘጋጀሁበትም። ውድድር ለማሸነፍ እንጂ ፈጣን ሰዓት ለመሮጥ አልመጣሁም። እንደገና ደግሞ አየሩም ቀዝቃዛ ነበርና ጥሩ ሰዓት አልሮጥኩም። ያው በማሸነፌ ግን ያው ደስ ብሎኛል።
I'm happy that I have won the race today. For me it was a cold day for me. My plan was to win the race and I think I have achieved that.
And did you enjoy to run among the men? Because you were quite early in the race already alone, the only lady. Did you run with a group of men? Did you run alone?
ያው በብዛት ከወንዶች ጋር ነው የሮጥኩትና እነሱን እየተከተልኩ ማሽን እያለፍኩኝ ነው የመጣሁትና በጣም ደስ ይላል።
Yeah, I have run with the men mostly and it was a good race for me because I was running and with the men and it was a good challenge for me.
So now you came back here for the third time. What is the next goal? It's now November. What is your next goal? Do we wait for summer season or are you coming before?
እንግዲህ አላሰብኩበትም የት እንደምሮጥ ለሚቀጥለው ዓመት ያው ማራቶን እሮጣለሁ ብዬ አስቤያለሁ ለንደን ለሱ ትሬኒንግ ጥሩ ትሬኒንግ ለማድረግ ነው የማስበው ያው ማራቶን ሮጬ ስለማላውቅ ጠንካራ የሆነ ትሬኒንግ ማድረግ ስላለብኝ ያው ወደ እሱ ነው የማተኩረው።
Next year I'll be running the London Marathon. That's my big race after this, but I might have some other small races which I don't know right now.
So just some preparation races for the very big debut of Mrs. Dibala.
ማራቶን ሮጬ ስለማላውቅ አሁን ትልቅ ዝግጅት ነው የማደርገው። ማራቶን ያው እንደ 5000 እና እንደ 10000 የሚቀለኝ አይመስለኝም። የግድ ለማራቶን የሚሆን ትሬኒንግ ጠንካራ ትሬኒንግ ማድረግ ስላለብኝ ጠንካራ ትሬኒንግ።
This is my first marathon race and I'm going to prepare very hard for this race and that's my big aim and goal.
Because if I'm correct, your husband, Silesi Simen, is coaching you?
ማለት ያው ስለሺ እሱም ለንደን ለመሮጥ አስባለሁ። ገና የወሰነ ነገር የለም። ሁለታችን እዛ ጥሩ ውድድር እናደርጋለን ብዬ አስባለሁ። እሱም የራሱን ይሰራል፣ እኔም በትሬኒንግ እረዳዋለሁ በሀሳብ። እሱም ብዙ ትሬኒንግ እንዴት እንደማድረግ እንዳለብኝ ይነግረኛል። ሁለታችንም ለማራቶን ነው የምንዘጋጀው ከአሁን በኋላ።
Yeah, Seleshi is going to help me a lot with the marathon and he's also thinking of running London, but he hasn't decided, but he's thinking about that. But we train together and he gives me a lot of coaching also.
And because for Silesi it will also be his debut, does he get advice from other coaches or does he have books or how does he prepare especially for
ማለት ያው ሁለታችንም ብዙ አመት ሮጠናል። ወደ 10 አመት ሮጠናል። ትሬኒንግ ምን እንደምሰራ እናውቃለን። ይሁን እንጂ ያው በ10000 እና በ5000 ነው በብዛት የምናውቀው። ትንሽ ሌላ ሰውም እናማክራለን። በብዛት ግን የራሳችን ትሬኒንግ ራሳችንን የምናወጣው።
We do mostly our training together, even when we are running the 5,000 and 10,000. We also have some other people who help us, coaches, but we know mostly what we're doing, but we also have some other coaches who will help us.
Okay, thank you very much, Tiernes and Elias as well.